Good evening, Tim in here. We have a little BullDog 400 brought to me by a Dirty Dog up in Chinchula, Alabama. It had these knockoff Toshibas in it. 100 ohm variable. There's all the mica caps that came from it. Where there should be a ferret wrapped to ground, they were using resistors. They had 100 pick a ferret, 100, but they had 18 gauge wire here with 5 wraps in and out. We were getting about 75 bird, and we did our 16 gauge 2 and 2. I believe that's 1.25 inches. Using our black tops. I'm pretty tired here. I changed out the output capacitance. It had 100s, but 120s. Retuned it. Let's go ahead and go to the meters. Try to keep this short, sweet, simple. You know my typical 99V. Audio. Bird, 500 watt slug. Now in peak. Audio. 45, 48, somewhere around there. Bird set up. That is a 5 watt reflect from between the box and the radio. 10 watt to the antenna, and then 500 watt in peak. Let's go ahead and get on with the show. Turn the variable up. 500 watt peak hit. Audio. There you go, buddy. 400 and audio. What's that? 450, 460. We just took the peak kit off. 500 watt. Let's see what we're doing. Bird. Audio. It's not too bad. 150 bird. And we didn't. We just rewrapped with the original transformers. Use the MRF 455 as a driver. Let's go ahead and check the reflect. This is the reflect, 5 watt to the radio, and the box. Audio. Man, there is no reflect, none. And we'll go to the antenna. Sorry, here I accidentally hit the knob there. Audio. Water reflect to the antenna. That's not bad, considering this was a BullDog built. All right, y'all carry on. Tin Man. Dirty Dog. Bump.